So this is going to be a quick introduction to the ODCR advanced features and premium accounts for the attorneys. You begin by logging in here, just using your email address and password. Okay, so the first feature I'll show you is under the advanced features up on the upper right hand side, advanced features. It's the law office's upcoming events. So I'll just click on that. What this is a report, and what it does is it uses the name of the attorney. So in this case, I'll use Jones, and it shows you any upcoming events for the cases that attorney is involved in. So you can see I did a search for Jones. There are quite a few options here. I'm going to choose the Jones Law Firm. Now, something to keep in mind is the courts will occasionally have the names entered in differently. Like you can see this, this here, and here. This is likely to be the same law office. So, in that case, you'd probably want to check each one of these to get results on this report from all of those offices, or that office. So, in this case, let's just assume that the law firm and the law office are one and the same. So you click View Selected Names, and this is the result. It shows you by date the action and the case that it's involved in, and then the party, or the name of the attorney. In this case, the name of the attorney is a law office. Okay, so you can click for more details. See the case? Okay, so the next thing I'll show you is the case tracking. It's an option right here. You just click track this case, add that. Now what that did was that added this particular case to the list of cases that you're tracking. What that does is you'll receive an email whenever anything changes on this case, whether or not it's a new document that's filed, whether or not it's maybe a new hearing date or something like that. You'll receive an email letting you know that that's happened. You can also track people. Very similar. Just click the person. Again, tracking them. Now, anytime there's a new case with this particular individual, you'll receive an email letting you know about it. You can also view the images. And so, like in this case, I'm just going to click that image, and there it is. Pop right up. If you need to print the image on the lower or upper left-hand side, you've got the print button. If you want to go back to the case, just click Back to Details right here. It's near the My Account button. Alright, so the last thing I'll show you, I'll click on the upper left-hand side. This takes me back to the main search page. You can see we've got several advanced search options, and then also the party type drop-down. This is a filter for the name search. This is also includes some new filters. So before you could search for John Doe, and it would be plaintiff John Doe or defendant John Doe. Now you can search for Judge John Doe. If you use that in conjunction with your offense and cause field, you could see how Judge John Doe ruled on a forgery case or embezzlement or something like that. You could also select an attorney as a filter for the name, and see what that other attorney's experience has been in embezzlement cases. So that's the search options, and that's about it. The only other thing is you can see which counties are publishing their images online in the far right column. You'll be able to see which counties are publishing their images online. If you have any questions or comments, the lower left-hand side, you've got a location you can submit feedback. Choose the category that's appropriate, or you can select other reason, enter in your email address and your message, and we'll get back to you as quickly as we can. Thanks.